I'm recording. Well, that is sharp looking airplane. Yeah. C-130. Eric's airplane from a printer. Oh, wow. Hey. Hey. Boy, you got plenty of power, don't you?
Yeah. Actually better than I expected.
I'll get off the runway. Oh, isn't that nice?
You post these?
Huh?
You post these?
Yeah. I think I can post this on YouTube. I'm not. I'll have to download it to my computer, and then from there into my movie maker.
Yeah. I was just thinking the designer would probably like to see it.
Yes, I'll post it.
You see that elevator fluttering?
No, I didn't.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, I see that now. Yeah. Well, it's holding on good though.
No, I didn't notice that until I did that real fast.
Now it's not. Oh, I think you better come in. Yeah, something. The elevator's come a little loose. It's acting as a flap now, huh?
You know, it's funny though, it's not affecting the flight. Yeah.
Looking good. Well, it didn't hurt it.